Hi, this is Liz with Traveling Left and Right with Liz and Rob, and today I'm going to be talking to you about Gumbalimba Park in Roatan, Honduras. I'm going to talk about the monkeys, the macaws, and the beaches. If you enjoy it, I hope you will subscribe and give us a thumbs up. So right now we're about to go to Gumbalimba Park, where you can have monkeys jump on you and see the big butterflies in the insect museum, and have parrots on you.
Some of the male monkeys are attracted to a lady that have big holes. Some of the male monkeys will try to get inside your blouse or inside your t-shirt. If that happens, you do this. If you do this, the monkey's gonna react to bite you. Let him do what he has to do. Alright? You can call me or you can call the trainer and say the monkey's off. The tree has approximately over 200 years old. On the tree?
This is called a love tree because two trees join together.
Cinnamon tea. The unit is used as medicine.
These are
it's medicinal on the island,
tree leaves.
and people use it in other
very
countries.
strong.
We islanders don't use too much medication. We use natural herbs and natural medicine trees. Cinnamon tea is number one to treat diabetes, number one for cold and cough, and number one for diarrhea. And lady, when they have their period, you have abdominal pain, is also good for that. You can use
We're heading up to the insect area. All the stuff's there. Species, not alive though. See all the different ones? Those are pretty colors, huh? Let's see. Yep, metallic colors, right? Like that. Now look at these big ones. Can you imagine one of those getting in your hair? You're freaked out, huh?
Are these from like ancient?
No, this is nowadays time. Read where they're from.
What?
Where does it say it's from?
Alive?
Oh yeah. They are still alive. Can you imagine that getting in your hair? Look at these beetles. I know, this is like, nope. You like those blue ones?
I really like this one. It really stood out.
It what?
This one really stood out as mine.
Yeah, it's very cool looking, huh? What is that called? Ah, look at that.
Yeah.
It's like a Dalmatian, you're saying, huh?
Yeah.
Wow. You see the macaw?
This is
He's way up there.
national bird, the Scarlet Macaws.
Let's see if I can get
Right up there, there's two of them. Scarlet
Yep, there's two of them. your arms out. Whoa, look at that.
I need all of you to move forward. The trainer's over there.
That's harassment.
All right. Thank you for coming. Good to you guys. Appreciate it.
There's more. Look at girls. No, you're fine.
Oh, I don't know if you're.
Look, there you go. It's right up your, you jumped up right up your back. Is that fun? He likes you. Woo! You didn't expect that, did you? I could tell you, they just jump on you like that. Chloe. I think they like you, Chloe. They might come up to you, Chloe.
You want to hold the monkey? The trainer's right there. He's going to put the monkey on you. Then when you're done, you can go again.
Babies?
Yeah, sometimes they jump on people.
They cute? Aw. Aw, poor thing.
Turn around.
Oh, look at him. Oh, oh how cute. He's so sweet, isn't he? What do you think, Chloe? Aubrey? So cute. Isn't he?
Dígale que vengan para acá arriba.
He's gonna come right over to you.
Oh, look at him. Chloe, turn around, honey. There you go. Isn't he cute?
Yeah.
They really like you. Look at that. You like it, Pop?
Yeah.
Bob, you want to go back over there? Let's stay next door.
It's fine. She can have one.
They'll jump on you next. That's what they're doing. Good. There you go.
Ready to move on?
No, I want to take one.
At the end.
He keeps jumping on Chloe. Here, if you go close, he'll jump back on you again.
already?
Yeah.
Follow me.
Thank you for coming, guys. Have a great day, guys. Thank you to you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir.
That's awesome. Is that great? Aubrey thinks she could smash this coconut. I'd like to see that. Go for it, Rob. You can smash that. I'll be very scared of you.
I don't want to jump it on my both feet because then I feel like
Yeah, you don't want to fall either, so. And Aubrey's still over there trying to break this coconut. She is determined, absolutely determined. Chloe's out there looking for another conch shell with a hermit crab in it. She found the one. She's on a mission. Cool. That's a small one, huh?
I'm gonna wash it off.
Okay.
I actually might be able to.
Okay, she's gonna split it in half. I guess she's almost got it there. Careful you don't get drenched in coconut juice.
Ooh, coconut.
Yeah, pretty cool, huh?
I think I put the juice out already, but
Well, I saw the one time it spun that it actually shot a lot of juice out, so that's probably happened. What does it smell like?
coconut.